Hello children, in previous video we have studied a portrait of a lady and today we are going to study our second chapter of Hornbill, which is that a photograph. A photograph summary the internal state of nature and the momentary state of humans. Photograph summary nature की internal state और humans की momentary state को बता रही है. Internal means आंतरिक और momentary means पल को जीने वाली. And it is written by Shirley Tolson. In the photograph, poetess describes a photograph of her mother's childhood. In the photograph of time when she went for a sea holiday with her two girl cousins, और poetess यह भी याद करती है कि किस तरह उसकी mother photograph में हंसती है और फिर upset हो जाती है. She has lost her childhood. Besides, for the poetess, her mother's death brings great sadness. Moreover, the painful silence of the situation leaves her without words. So let's start our poem. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went peddling, each of one holding one of my mother's hand. Students, one day poetess saw her mother's photo, which was pasted on the cardboard, and this photo was taken when her mother goes to beach with her two girl cousins for spending holidays. एक दिन पोएटेस अपनी माँ का फोटो देखती है जो कि एक कार्डबोर्ड पर पेस्ट किया गया था और यह फोटो उस समय लिया गया था जब पोएटेस की माँ बचपन में टू गर्ल कजिन्स के साथ बीच पर हॉलिडे मनाने गई थी. And she, the big girl, some 12 years or so, all three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with camera, a sweet face. Students, the two girl cousins were also with her and holding her hands, and poetess mother was 12 years old at that time and she is elder from two sisters. उनके साथ उनकी दो कजिन्स हैं जो उनका हाथ पकड़े हुए हैं. पॉइंट की माँ उस वक्त 12 साल की रही होगी और अपनी दोनों बहनों से बड़ी हैं. My mother's that was before I was born, and the sea, which appears to have changed less, was their terribly transient feet. Students, and three are standing in the shallow water, and when their uncle captures their photo, they all are giving smile and their hair is also waving. और ये तीनों ही शैलो वाटर में खड़ी हुई हैं. शैलो वाटर मीन्स होता है उथला पुथला वाटर. इट मीन्स हम बोलते हैं जिस तरीके से लहर हमारे ऊपर उछल के आती है उसको हम कहते हैं शैलो वाटर. और जब अंकल उनकी फोटो खींचते हैं तो वे मुस्कुरा रही हैं और उनके बाल भी उड़ रहे हैं. Some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot, see Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. Students, after 20 to 30 years, poetess mother is now around 40 years old and she laughs after seeing the photo and says to poetess that see how our parents dressed us. 20 से 30 सालों बाद स्टूडेंट पोएटेस की मदर 40 साल की होगी और अपना फोटो देखकर हंसती है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमें कैसे कपड़े पहनाए थे. The sea holiday was her past, mine is her laughter, both ray with the labored ease of loss. Students, the beach holiday was my mother's past, for which she was happy to think about and laughs. And mother's laugh is poetess past. These both moments have lost with the time. Poetess is saying here that बीच हॉलिडे मेरी मदर का पास्ट था जिसे सोचकर मदर खुश होती है और हंसती है और मदर की हंसी पोएटेस का बीता हुआ समय है. ये दोनों ही समय बीतने के साथ खो गए हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ मदर का पास्ट वो फोटो था जिसे देखकर वह अपसेट हो रही थी और पोएटेस का पास्ट उसकी मदर है जो कि अब इस दुनिया में नहीं है. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as the girl lived, and of these circumstances, its silence. Students, poetess mother has died 12 years ago, and in this condition, poetess is not able to say anything. She feels lonely and silence surrounds her. She is very upset and feels alone. Students, पोइटिस की मदर की डेथ 12 साल पहले ही हो चुकी है और इस कंडीशन में अब वह कुछ भी कहने के लायक नहीं है। वह बहुत अकेला महसूस करती है और खामोशी उसे हमेशा घेरे रहती है। वो बहुत ही उदास है और अपने आप को अकेला महसूस कर रही है। Students, the conclusion of this poem is that the condition of both poetess and her mother was same, because mother was missing her childhood joy and poetess was missing her mother's laugh. दोनों ही अपने past को लेकर upset हैं. The sum up is both are missing their past. So students, we completed our poem here and I hope you understood well. So we will meet in next video with new chapter. Till then, take care and good day.